My name is Stefan Aleksandar Jovanovski, and I am the founder and artistic director of KomshiLOOK, a community-based cultural platform that transforms everyday neighborhoods into living stages. KomshiLOOK is built on a simple idea that culture should not be locked inside institutions. It should happen where life already happens. We believe that art doesn't arrive from the outside, but emerges from the shared routines and small interactions, from living close and noticing each other. The name KomshiLOOK brings together two words, Komshi, meaning neighbor, a word known across the Balkans, and look, as an invitation to pay attention. It's about seeing the street as a stage and your neighbor as a fellow participant in the story of a place. KomshiLOOK transforms existing architecture into cultural infrastructure. Use what's already there, balconies, rooftops, staircases, and reimagine them through performances, exhibitions, and gatherings. It's not just about showing art, but about creating it through presence, participation, and mutual care. Our process is collaborative. We work side by side with residents, artists, musicians, and performers. We begin with presence, sitting in shared yards, listening, exchanging stories, and building trust. From there, the content of each edition emerges, not imposed but co-created. In 2026, we are staging La Traviata, reimagined as a neighborhood opera in Železara. Violetta and Alfredo won't be the distant characters, they'll be imagined as the local neighbors. The audience will walk with them through the neighborhood, experiencing the opera as part of real life. Each act will unfold in a different part of the block. The opera will be given a local texture, merging Verdi's original with Macedonian sound, gestures, and tempo. It becomes both familiar and newly felt. The 2026 edition will unfold over 2 days. We are not importing a ready-made spectacle, we are bringing only the base format and acting as divisors. The real work begins on site with the community. Together with the residents, we will adapt the story, improvise scenes, and even decide how the opera should end. It's not only about retelling the opera, but a shared authorship, only where neighbors help shape what the final chapter will be. The first day is open to the wider public, featuring the full opera experience and community performances. The second day is more intimate, dedicated only to the neighbors with time to reflection, food and storytelling. From the opening toast to the final applause, KomshiLOOK 2026 will be a co-created celebration of everyday life, shared space and collective imagination.